The Academic Advising Office offers guidance and assistance to first-year students to ensure their academic success. You can arrange appointments with advisors to discuss various academic concerns such as performance, probation, transfer decisions, university policies, course schedules, major requirements, and campus life. Advisors provide both online and offline individual sessions. We hope that the internet-based self-scheduling approach gives you more choice and simplicity. You can schedule an appointment with your advisor by visiting the AAO website. On the homepage, click on the Academic Advising title. As the new screen appears, you have to follow the required prompts to schedule your appointment. As you scroll down, you will see the list of advisors available for the meeting. Choose the one convenient date and time to your appointment on Google Calendar. Once you make an appointment, you will see the screen asking for details of the meeting. Please write the reason for your visit under the description section and the visiting format, for example, offline or online. Then click on the Save button. As you make the appointment, a confirmation email from the advisor will be sent to your email account and the meeting will appear on your Google Calendar. Confirmation email will include the date, time, location, details based on the meeting mode you selected. Remember, if the advisor needs to cancel an appointment, you will be notified by email. The message will direct you to return to Google Calendar to reschedule or identify the advisor who will be meeting you with at the time you had scheduled with the original advisor. If you have any questions, please contact your advisor directly or email us at AAO and UU for assistance.